Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what you want others to do with your work. This is the crucial first action. Choose whether commercial use is allowed and if adaptations must carry the same terms. Once decided, pick attribution as a baseline. Most reuse requires credit. Make sure to use the Creative Commons license chooser to compare share-alike, no derivatives, and non-commercial quickly. Then mark your file with a short license notice and a machine-readable tag so platforms can detect it automatically. Now apply the license directly. Add a one-line human-readable statement near the work and embed machine-readable metadata so services can index the license. Explain exactly how you want attribution formatted, name, title, source, license, so you avoid ambiguity. When posting online, include the CC license link and an HTML rel tag. For files, add RDF or XMP metadata. Once applied, test by searching the exact license text on the hosting platform to confirm discoverability. Finish by sharing widely and monitoring how others use your work. You want to see correct attribution and license adherence. If you need to change terms later, make sure you have rights from all contributors. Licenses already granted to the public remain in effect. If someone misuses your work, document dates, URLs, and copies, then contact the platform or the user politely to request compliance. If that fails, escalate with the host takedown process. This single troubleshooting path often resolves most violations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.